Ever feel like your closet is full of colors that just don't get along? Like you're staring at a sea of clothes and thinking, why does nothing match? Same. But here's the good news, a color palette can fix all of that. It's not just for designers or your fancy Pinterest grids. A color palette helps your wardrobe feel more intentional. It makes it easier to mix and match your clothes, reduce those I have nothing to wear moments, and keeps you from buying random stuff you'll never actually wear. Today, I'm walking you through how to build a color palette for your wardrobe, step by step. We're talking base colors, pops of fun, and I'm going to give you plenty of visuals to inspire you along the way. Before you dive in, let's pause for a sec. Building a color palette isn't about starting from scratch, it's about working with what you have and what fits your lifestyle. So here's what to consider first: lifestyle. Are you dressing for work, weekends, or a mix of both? Your color palette should fit your daily life. If you're in the office 5 days a week, neutrals might be your best friend. If you're working from home or running errands, pops of color might bring more joy. You also want to consider your closet. What colors do you already wear the most? Start there. It's way easier than reinventing the wheel. Next, consider your style and personality. Do you love bold and vibrant looks, or are you more into soft, neutral vibes? Your palette should reflect your vibe, not someone else's. And then you want to consider your skin tone, although not mandatory, but pick colors that make you feel confident. If a shade washes you out, skip it, even if it's trendy. Trust me, girl, no one will miss that neon green blouse. Okay, quick timeout. If you're loving this process but feel like you need a little more guidance, I've got something that's going to make your life so much easier. Inside my intentional wardrobe workshop, I'll walk you step by step through creating a color palette and a wardrobe you'll actually love. No more staring at a closet full of clothes with nothing to wear. This workshop is packed with tools and tips to help you define your style, choose the right pieces, and really build a wardrobe that works for your real life. Sounds like what you need? Great. Check out the workshop at the link in the description. And because you're here, girl, use code YouTube10 for 10% off. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Okay, step one, your base colors. This is your wardrobe's foundation, the neutral that ties everything together. It's usually a darker shade like black, navy gray, or beige. Pro tip, you really only need one base color. For example, if you love black, go with black. If you're more into brown, stick with beige. No need to overcomplicate it. However, if you want full maximization of your wardrobe, go with 3 to 5 neutral colors for endless outfit ideas. Next up, accent colors. These are the softer shades that complement your base colors like white, cream, or light gray. They keep things interesting without stealing the show. For example, if your base is black, white and gray make great accent colors. If you're working with beige, pair it with cream or taupe. Now for the fun part, pops of color. These are your statement shades, the ones that add personality to your wardrobe. Think mustard yellow, emerald green, or blush pink. The key here, though, is to pick 2 to 3 colors that you love and that work with your base and accents. Pops of colors are perfect for accessories, coats, or even shoes. They bring just the right amount of flair. Your palette doesn't have to stay the same all year. Add deeper tones in winter like burgundy or forest green and lighter shades in spring like lavender or coral. It's still your palette, just a little seasonal twist. And finally, girl, test it out. Lay out your wardrobe and see if your colors work together. If something feels off, like your pop of color really doesn't play well with your neutrals, girl, swap it out. And there you have it, girl, a step by step guide to building a color palette that makes your wardrobe work harder for you. It's all about finding what works for your life, your style, and your vibe. If you love this, hit subscribe for more style tips and check out my wardrobe guides in the shop for even more wardrobe inspo. And let me know in the comments what colors are in your palette. I love to hear your combos.